Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Splunk 9.4 on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. First go to Splunk official website and download. Go to splunk.com. Then click on products. Then click on free trials and downloads. See here we have the Splunk Enterprise Edition and click on get my free trial. We have to register. See, the latest version is 9.4, okay. We have to fill all these details. Once we fill all these details, then we will receive verification email. Like, see, we will get email like this. So, then we have to click on this verify your email or this link. Once we verify, then we will be able to download. But I have already registered, so click on login. Now see, we are able to download Splunk Enterprise. See the Windows, Linux and Mac OS. For Windows, you have to click on Windows. See, this is the MSI file. So click on download now. And its size is, wait a moment, download will be started. Now we have to accept the terms in the license agreement by selecting the checkbox. Then click on access program. Wait a moment, now it will be downloaded. Yeah, go to downloads. Its size is 764 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the Splunk Enterprise 9.4. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file to install. Select the checkbox for the license agreement. Now click on this customize options. See, this is the installation location. Then click on next. Select the user account, local system account or domain account. I don't have domain, so select the local system. Then here we have to create credentials for the administrator account, and password must contain at a minimum of 8 printable ASCII characters. So I am giving username as Splunk admin. Then provide the password. Then click on next. If you want to create start menu shortcut, you have to keep the checkbox. Then click on install. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, Splunk Enterprise was successfully installed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch browser with Splunk Enterprise. So keep it as it is and click on finish. Once we click on finish, it will open the web browser with the port number 8000. See, now we have to provide the username that we have created and password. So I have given the username as Splunk admin. Then provide the password whatever we have given. Click on login. If you want to change the password, go to click on account settings. Click on settings, then click on users. See here, I have created the Splunk admin. If you want to change the permissions or settings, you have to select this one and you have to edit. Select it. See, you have to provide old password, new password, confirm, then you have to confirm. Then if you want to set the time zone, default of app and etc. information, then after that we have to select this checkbox and you have to click on save. Okay, go back, click on settings. See here we have different options like add data, monitoring console. See, here we can get the monitoring information. If you want to add data, click on add data. Skip this one. See here we have different options. Okay, see here we have the search and reporting, audit trail, secure gateway, upgrade readiness application. Okay, and also see here dashboards. See here, this is the loopback IP. If you want like CMD hostname, you can also connect with this one. Enter, give it, hit enter. Again it is asking password, username and password. See, we have successfully logged in with hostname also. Even we can log in with localhost port number 8000. Hit enter. See, we got the same console. Even we can log in with IP of the machine. IP config. See, this is the IP. Hit enter. Go here, paste it. Give the port number 8000. Hit enter. See, we got the same login console. Splunk admin. See, we have successfully logged in with all the options. Okay, so after installation, go to downloads directory, remove this file. It is not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Splunk Enterprise Edition 9.4 on Windows 11 operating system. For more Splunk tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.